In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Horace effect on TikTok. The Horace effect is the dancing man in a onesie that you might see on some videos in TikTok. So to do this, follow these steps. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as just typing in the Horace effect into the search bar in the effects page on TikTok. So what you have to do is go to the search bar on TikTok and type in @JQGray and click into the profile. Now above the videos that this user has posted, you want to tap on the icon that's in the middle with the little wand with a star on top of it. This is the effects setting within this user's profile, and as you can see, Horace is here, so just tap into it. And now you have the option to use the effect. So go ahead and tap on this, and now you can use the Horace effect on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.